Citing lack of funds, President Rodrigo Duterte dissolves the Negros Island region created by the Aquino administration. Duterte signs Executive Order No. 38, which revokes Executive Order No. 138, signed by former President Benigno Aquino. EO No. 138 created the NIR. The new EO reverts the provinces of Negros Occidental to Western Visayas and Negros Oriental to Central Visayas. The NIR regional offices are now abolished, with their personnel ordered to return to their previous assignments or reassigned to other offices. EO No. 38 says, quote, "The establishment of regional offices of departments and agencies in the NIR requires substantial appropriation to be fully operational, thus competing with government priority programs and projects for funding." Duterte decided to dissolve the NIR in a cabinet meeting last October after Budget Secretary Benjamin Diokno said it came with a heavy price tag. The NIR was supposed to have been a legacy of the Aquino administration. Aquino's EO said creating a region for the two adjacent provinces is needed to accelerate social and economic development and improve the delivery of public services.